How to change Apple ID password? So first of all, open the Google Chrome, then search now the apple.com like I called, and here you select them website, enter now, and you show the option like forget password, and click here to enter your email and phone number like this, and continue option here, and select the continue and enter the key like, enter your phone number, and enter the code, enter the Gmail code, like this, and continue, and enter your new password and confirm your new password and continue option here. And continue now, and your password is successfully updated. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.